bubble-covered bus.
La la la! What a beautiful day! Time to pick up my passengers. Wow, bubbles! I love bubbles the most. Haha, this is so fun! Oh no! The road is so slippery! I can't see where I'm going! Help! Help!
The bus is in a bubble emergency? Let's hurry and help! Welcome to the TinkerBot Repair Center! Oh my! Why are you covered in bubbles?
I love bubbles, but now they're blocking my eyes. I can't see the road at all.
Don't worry, I'll help clean all the bubbles off. Let's go to the washroom. Vehicle size, medium. Dirt level, very dirty. Dirt type? That's it! Now let's cover you with cleaning soap.
Okay, thank you. Oh, these bubbles are harder to clean than I thought.
Don't worry. You'll be nice and clean soon. Now let's blow dry you. Oh no! There are scratches all over your body. I'll fix them for you.
Oh, thank you, TinkerBot. Now my passengers will feel comfy and safe.
Let's add some fresh paint. And finally, wax and polish. All done. Great. You look brand new.
Wow, so cool. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Remember, don't get distracted while driving.
I'll remember this lesson. Now I need to pick up my passengers.
Okay, drive safely. Have a good trip. Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye-bye, TinkerBot.
Bye.